Hi, welcome back to our channel Hard to Set Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to switch language in Superwhisper on iPhone 17. So open Superwhisper application on your phone and tap gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, which is settings. And now at the top of your screen you have to select a specific mode that you want to adjust, that you want to customize. Let's go for this one. And in the section voice model you have to find language. You want to tap here and finally select needed language. And from that point all your transcriptions will use that language. But if, for example, you're switching between languages often, you can come back to this menu and change it anytime. But please make sure that the language that you select matches what you are really speaking, because this will help Superwhisper maintain the best accuracy. So, for example, if you're doing a meeting in Spanish, you have to set language to Spanish. But if it's in English, switch back to English. So I think it's pretty clear. And that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.